Hello everyone! Black Friday and Cyber Monday are right around the corner, and if you're a Shopify store owner, this is the perfect opportunity to skyrocket your sales. These two shopping events are some of the biggest of the year, with customers ready to spend and snag great deals. This year, Black Friday falls on November 29th. Followed by Cyber Monday on December 2nd. Now, the sales rush lasts throughout this time frame, which means we have 5 days filled with buyers looking for deals and discounts online. So it's time to gear up and make sure your Shopify store is fully prepared to capitalize on these massive sales opportunities. In today's video, we are going to walk through everything you need to do to get your store ready, both in terms of your website and your marketing. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so the first thing we need to focus on is preparing your actual store for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday rush. Now, here are some key tips to help you stand out and maximize conversions during the event. One is to highlight Black Friday and Cyber Monday on your main banner, such as this store did right here. Now, your store's homepage is the first thing people see, so use that prime real estate wisely. Add a banner across the top of your store that highlights your Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. If you've got specific discounts, showcase them right here to grab attention immediately. This is your chance to hook customers the second they land on your page. So as you can see in this store, the first thing I noticed when looking at the main store banner is that it is ready to offer great deals, which is a powerful message to convey during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. To show that the store is up to date, your store, it's better to create separate banners. So one for Cyber Monday and one for Black Friday, showcasing each of these sales events, and then you can display them on the correct dates of the holidays. 2, use strike-through pricing. So this is another super effective way to show customers they're getting a deal is by using the strike-through pricing. Now, this simply means you show the original price with a line through it, followed by the discounted price. Now, this is a powerful visual that immediately signals savings, making it easier for customers to say yes to the purchase. So as you can see in this store, the strike-through pricing emphasizes that the product is currently on sale, and the original price could return at any moment. 3, offer early Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. Why wait until the actual day? Consider rolling out early Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals a week or so before the main event. This strategy is fantastic for getting those early bird shoppers, especially if you're selling electronics or giftable items. By offering discounts ahead of time, you'll start generating sales even before the big rush, and your customers will love that they're getting a head start. And a little tip from me, if you're using paid ads and your store sells electronics or giftable items, consider creating campaigns with early Black Friday or early Cyber Monday stickers or symbols on the ads. And you can also utilize these campaigns to also offer discount coupons, clearly stating that it's valid for a limited time. Now, this is kind of psychological because it will create a sense of urgency, and early bird shoppers will see it as a rare opportunity to purchase products at a discounted price. And as you can see here in this ad, the coupon that can be claimed is clearly visible to everyone. And just imagine how powerful it would be if you had a sticker of early Black Friday sales on it. It can definitely be a powerful ad that can attract those looking for early online sales. Now let's talk about update your announcement bar. Now the announcement bar on your Shopify store is prime real estate for a quick message about your deals. So be sure to use it to tell your customers exactly what to expect for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, like exclusive Black Friday deals up to 50% off. It's a suitable but effective way to remind them of the special offers available. And here you can see an example of it. Exclusive Black Friday deals up to 50% off is the first thing I see when I'm visiting this store. And why is it so important to use the announcement bar wisely? Well, studies show that human eyes naturally analyze from top to bottom. And the announcement bar is the first piece of text a buyer will see. That's why this seemingly innocent placement is so powerful. A good example would be to imagine it like a menu in a restaurant. You start reading it from top to bottom. Nice tip, right? So Zeekers, what do you think about this important information so far? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video to get more great content like this and boost your online sales. Okay, so plan your marketing strategy in advance and not too early. Now that your store is ready, it's time to talk about your marketing plan. You've got the deals, but now you need to drive traffic to your store and get people excited about what you're offering. And here's how you can do that. When it comes to Black Friday and Cyber Monday marketing, timing is crucial. Don't start too early. Now, if you push your deals weeks in advance, you risk losing momentum, or worse, customers might wait too long to buy. Instead, if you wish to begin earlier, you can promote early Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals to drive traffic. Just be sure to offer attractive discounts. Email marketing. Send those coupon codes. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Start sending out emails to your subscribers that include coupon codes and exclusive offers for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Make sure those emails mention how limited the offers are and they'll expire after Cyber Monday. The sense of urgency is key here. Your customers need to know that if they're not acting fast enough, they'll miss out on something special. Social media. Get your followers excited on social media. So social media is another place where you can build hype. Start posting about your upcoming Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, but remember, don't overdo it too early. If you tease your sales too far in advance, customers might wait to make a purchase and your daily conversion could drop. Instead, post constantly. In the week leading up to Black Friday, make it clear that these are deals that are a limited time only. If you're running a dropshipping store, Black Friday and Cyber Monday can be incredibly lucrative. The key is finding the right products to sell during this period. Electronics and giftable items are practically hot sellers during these two sales events. So those should be your focus. How can you do that? Well, let me show you. I will head over to Shopify's Product Explorer tool of Zik Analytics. Now, this is where the magic happens. We need to set some filters to narrow down our product search to the most promising products. So for product type, we're going to set this as a one product store. For revenue, set this filter to show products with at least $25,000 in sales in the past 30 days. I prefer to focus on single product stores for a key reason. Nowadays, building a store around just one product requires in-depth market research, profitability analysis, and several other steps to ensure that the product is truly worth dedicating an entire store to. In simple terms, this strategy allows us to carefully selected products in our Shopify store, knowing they've been thoroughly vetted. When it comes to revenue, if our goal is to find a winning product, one that brings in about $1,000 or more daily from dropshipping, it's a clear indicator of success, right? That's why I'm aiming for a minimum monthly revenue target of $25,000 for a single product store. This can help pinpoint products that constantly generate around $1,000 a day. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this item. Now, this is a premium ink case, the only e-ink case for iPhone. So this item has sold more than 1,500 times in the past 30 days. Okay, so I believe this looks like a nice product that I can definitely add to my dropshipping store and potentially offer at a nice discount while still gaining a high profit margin. Let's see exactly what this product is by reviewing the product selling page. Okay, it seems like the perfect product. It's electronic, related to cell phones, and even counts as a gadget. Everything needed for a winning Black Friday or Cyber Monday product. So this case can display an image digitally on it, making it convenient to add your daily tasks or just an image of your pet on the phone cover. It's a nice product, don't you think? So as you can see, this store sold 1,500 units of this item for $55.50. Now, when I looked to source this product using Zeek Analytics, I found it on AliExpress, only $26.72 with free shipping. So even if I offer a 20% discount from the price we saw in the store we reviewed before, I can still make a decent profit. So once you find the right items, source them from a reliable supplier. AliExpress is a great option for dropshippers looking for affordable, high-demand products like this one. Imagine preparing your store for Black Friday and Cyber Monday with many electronics and giftable items like this one. It's a powerful move. Okay, so because we're not guessing what products will sell well, we're relying on solid data, and that's the key to good product research. So, if you want to boost your product research and prepare your store for the best time of the year, I'm talking about the last quarter when the demand for buying products online is at its peak. You can try Zeek Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Yes, only $1 for the first week. So there you have it. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are coming up fast, and now's the perfect time to start preparing your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips just like this. See you in the next video.